Welcome to my channel Digital Challenge Academy with Rimanshu.
All right, welcome back everyone. We've made it to day 46 of our journey, and honestly, the training wheels are officially coming off today. You know, we've spent the last few sessions really mastering those individual applications, mapping out all those intricate network and financial workflows. But now the safety net is completely gone. Starting today with this explainer, we're diving headfirst into solving full-length, 100-mark mock practical papers. So if you've been wanting to see exactly how your skills stack up under actual, real-deal exam conditions, well, this is it. We are tackling Paper-1 live. So clear your desk, fire up your machine, get focused, and let's conquer this whole shebang together.
Okay, so let's look at exactly what we're up against here. Visualizing the stakes right off the bat is absolutely critical. We've got Part A, the writer section, sitting at 25 marks. Then, check out that massive chunk for Part B, the Calc section, weighing in at a heavy 35 marks. And finally, Part C and D combined for a hefty 40 marks. Seeing this breakdown, it really proves exactly why we have to optimize our strategy based on weighted grading. I mean, you definitely don't want to burn all your precious time on a 25-mark section when much heavier points are just waiting for you down the line, right?
So here is our tactical exam blueprint for today. 1. Welcome to the real test. 2. Writer Advanced Document Assembly. 3. Calc Multi-Tier Calculation. 4. Slideshow and Portal Submission. And 5. Exam Endurance and Homework.
Section 1. Welcome to the real test. The safety net is gone.
Section 2. Writer Advanced Document Assembly.
All right, let's dive into Part A. For this section, we're tasked with assembling an official corporate memo, and it's worth 25 marks. Efficiency is literally the name of the game here. So we need a flawless procedural workflow. First up, rapidly adjust your page margins by navigating strictly to Format, then Page Style. Boom, done. Second, apply your paragraph styles. No manual messing around, okay? Third, insert our integrated 3x4 layout table. But listen, we don't click through endless menus for this. We're going to use Control plus F12. You got to treat these keyboard shortcuts like specialized tactical gear. And finally, quickly center the numeric nodes. If you execute these exact steps, you can knock out this entire section in under 2 minutes.
Now, whatever you do, please do not fall into the trap of wasting precious exam time manually hitting the spacebar and the Enter key over and over to format your headers. It's messy, and honestly, it's incredibly slow. Instead, we automate. Utilizing clean, built-in paragraph styles instantly standardizes your document. It guarantees you full formatting marks, and crucially, it saves you that vital time you are absolutely going to need for the next section.
Section 3. Calc, Multi-Tier Analytical Calculation.
Okay, we're shifting focus now to the most complex part of our mock exam. 35 marks. Let that sink in. That's what this Calc section is worth, making it the heaviest scoring component of the entire paper. This is exactly where your exam is either won or lost. And actually, this is exactly why we saved all that time in the writer section, so we can spend it right here where it counts.
So our primary task here is to automatically look up registration profiles from a completely separate reference sheet. To pull that off, we have to assemble the perfect vertical indexing syntax. It goes like this: equals VLOOKUP, open parenthesis, A2, comma, sheet2.A1 through C50, comma 3, comma 0, close parenthesis. You need to know the syntax cold. It tells the software exactly what to look for, where to find the data matrix, which column to actually pull the result from, and exactly how strict the match needs to be.
Now, standard VLOOKUP indexing is a really great baseline, but if we're hunting for top marks, and we are, we need to upgrade it. By embedding our VLOOKUP directly inside an equals IF logical condition, we create a multi-tier calculation. This bad boy can instantly mark passing thresholds based on the exact data it retrieves. It's literally an automated decision-making pipeline built right inside your spreadsheet.
But I have to give you a very strong warning right now. Precision is absolutely everything here. When you're typing out multi-argument formulas under the ticking clock of an exam, man, it is so easy to make a tiny typo. One misplaced comma, one forgotten parentheses, and the entire pipeline just breaks. You're going to get an ugly error instead of an answer. So always double-check your syntax before you smash that Enter key.
Section 4. Slideshow Automation and Portal Submission Steps.
All right, we've made it through the hardest part, but we've got to finish strong to secure those final 40 marks. For Part C, we're operating in LibreOffice Impress, and our task is to build a technical slide presentation containing ordered bullet fades. Now, we do not style these slides one by one. Who has the time?
Instead, we load our assets directly via View, then Master Slide. This instantly applies a uniform corporate style across the entire deck in one go. After that, we just jump into the animation panel and configure our triggers to after previous. Just a few exact clicks, and the software generates a perfectly timed, highly professional presentation totally automatically.
Finally, we hit part D, the portal submission. Guys, do not lose silly points at the very end just because of poor documentation. I'm giving you the literal cheat codes for the text portal submission box right now. You absolutely must use clear, specific direction indicators. Write it out like this: launch portal, arrow, create structure, arrow, apply parameter. Writing out your exact actions in this specific step-by-step format means the reviewer can instantly read your logic, and more importantly, they can award you top marks without second-guessing your intent for a second.
Section 5. Exam endurance and homework. Look, knowing the formulas and having the clicks memorized, that's only half the battle. The other half is mental stamina and totally eliminating that dreaded lab anxiety. So I'm giving you an actionable command right now. Step 1, download mock Paper-1 using the link provided in the source materials. Step 2, set a timer. Step 3, complete it on your computer right now. Execute everything we just went over, straight through, no pausing, no checking your phone. That is exactly how you build endurance, and that is how you win.
And hey, before we wrap up, I'm leaving you with a quick homework loop just to test your retention. Here's the question. In a standard LibreOffice Calc VLOOKUP function, what does that final argument value of 0 or false actually specify? Think back to our multi-tier calculation section and drop your answer down in the comments below. I really want to see who gets it right before you come back for day 47, where we'll be tackling full-length mock practical paper 2. Until then, keep practicing, stay totally focused, and I'll see you in the next explainer.